my 2003 Volkswagen Passat, and this one is my daily driver. This one I've been working on, adding a couple of things. So I want to start a video where I do put car parts on here, drive car stuff. So with this 2003 Volkswagen Passat, the only thing I've done with this so far is some Spec D headlights, and then I got this black grille online. Then I upgraded with the HID headlights sticker. Just another sticker. This one got from my bro Ethan. Shout out my boy Ethan. Put a little tag on him. And this sticker is from my friend Kim. So she does stickers too. So if you want to check it out, she's coming up with new stickers for 2020, and she's opening up her website pretty soon. So I'll leave all of the tags in the description below. But right now, what we're getting into is I'm gonna take off the whole front plate, front bumper, and then I'm installing these bad boys, which I got on LED Car Guys. These are LED fog lights, which I just picked up. 9005 to 9006. So I'm about to install these bad boys in here. So these are the LED fog lights, which I got, and I also picked up in here. Got this from AutoZone. So I got little rain guards or vent visors for the car, because here in Washington it does rain a lot, and I like to have my windows down. So after I installed the LED fog lights, I'm gonna go ahead and put the vents on here as well. So I'm gonna start taking off the front bumper right now.
Cool to be.
This took forever to just take off. Front grille. Screws that are off. So I took off all the screws right here in the front. I think the only thing that is left to do is I need to pull out the side panels, which is the easy slide out. Alright, so I got the front bumper off. Pretty easy. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, right here is where the fog light is. See if I can undo it from there. But right now I'm gonna go ahead, take out the old fog lights, and then I'm gonna install the new ones right here. So it took me at least 10 to 15 minutes to find out how to take off the front bumper. Alright, so what I was going to do is I was going to take out the light bulb and put it in. But then I realized it's a German car. It is sophisticated. So what I did was I unplugged the harness from both sides. Now I got my bumper right here. So I took out the whole front bumper, and then what I'm gonna do is this part right here is where the fog lights contain. I'm trying to see if I can unscrew it open, take it out, and get the light bulb, and I'm gonna switch it. Hopefully that goes according to plan, or else this is gonna take a little longer than I expected. I am back, and I got some breaking news. So the lights that I got weren't the right ones. So I went to LED car guys, and then I put my information and everything, and then it brought me to this. So apparently my light bulbs, or the fog lights for it, is a different type of fog lights. So instead of being a plug and play kind of bulb, I need to get one where it has the wire sticking out, strip wire and whatnot. So I couldn't install the new LED fog lights. I had to return these and then get some new ones, and then probably go to a store or check Amazon to buy me some new ones. But what I did get done is my window. So if you're seeing the time lapse or whatnot, or whatever I did, we finally got the nice window visors. I call them rain guards, but it says window visors. I don't know what y'all call it, but I think it looks nice. So yeah, of course, you're gonna see how it rains a lot, and I like to turn my window down so I can crack it. So there, do crack the window a little bit, especially during the summer. It can ventilate much better. And honestly, to me, it looks kind of makes the car look more aggressive and everything. So I like how the window visors look. So we're gonna have the car inside because it's about to snow pretty soon. So hopefully tomorrow or whenever I find me some new bulbs, because those don't work. But I'm just buying a little stuff here and there, and then that way I can make the car like 10 times better. So everything is coming into fruition. It's just gonna take a little by little time. So this is why I am recording it, so that way on my YouTube channel it'll be kind of like a collection of my car build, so that way you guys can follow updates on the Passat, and you can follow me through this journey from now to later. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time, and make sure you follow, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow me on all social media. Later.